Welcome to 71 Whistle Post Street, a 4+1 bedroom multi-level home with 4 washrooms situated on a tree-lined street within the prestigious Upper Beaches Estates neighbourhood of Toronto. With a nature-inspired landscaped front yard and a charming covered front porch, beyond the front entry door is a tiled foyer with a coat closet, a half wall with a decor column providing a separation between the foyer and the elegant formal entertaining spaces. The main level principal rooms have an open concept layout with a light neutral decor, with the combined living and dining rooms showcasing the warmth of hardwood flooring, while diffused natural light streaming through windows with transoms bring an aura of intimacy to these two spaces. These rooms have 9-foot ceilings with crown moldings and pot lighting, which are also featured in the combined family and kitchen area. Natural light through windows along the south wall bring a fresh, airy feel to these spaces, while a gas fireplace with a deep mantel shelf above it spreads cozy warmth throughout the room. The kitchen's cabinetry has extended height uppers, a wine rack, a pantry, and valance lighting. The kitchen also showcasing a granite counter with seating at the peninsula, a subway tile backsplash with a glass mosaic accent border, a new stainless steel gas stove, an updated range hood and French door fridge, plus a dishwasher and a double sink, as well as having direct access to the dining area for entertaining convenience. The walkout opens to a very low maintenance and fully fenced backyard that provides access to a detached double-car garage at the rear of the property, and which also features a new composite deck with plenty of barbecuing and entertaining space, an interlocking patio for even more outdoor seating, as well as shrubs and trees for a calming touch of greenery. The tiled flooring of the kitchen and family room is continued into a short hall, off of which is a combined storage and pantry closet, as well as a powder room with a pedestal sink. And to the second level is a staircase with hardwood treads and railing, finished with the classic accent of white risers and spindles. This level features hardwood flooring and upgraded light fixtures throughout, and also has 3 bedrooms, a washroom, and a family media room. The first of the 3 bedrooms has a good-sized window and a double closet. The 2 remaining bedrooms, both enjoying the bright natural lighting of their south-facing exposure and having double-sized closets with single doors. The 4-piece washroom has a tiled floor and bath area, plus a vanity with a countertop basin, and across the hall from this washroom is a wall niche for decorative display and a combined linen and storage closet. Decor columns grace the hall to the media room, which showcases a Palladian-style window on the north wall allowing for ample natural brightness, a wall-to-wall media unit with plenty of storage and display space, a vaulted cathedral ceiling that is open to the 3rd level, as well as a walkout onto a balcony that stretches across the width of the home, and enjoying wonderful privacy when the trees are in full leaf. The carpeted staircase to the 3rd level has a hardwood railing, with this level dedicated to the master suite. Showcasing hardwood flooring and upgraded lighting throughout, part of the hallway outside the bedroom is open to the media room below, and ends at a wall nook with a large north-facing window that is ideal as an office or reading area. Through a double-door entry is a spacious bedroom that features a wall-to-wall wardrobe plus a walk-in closet, and a garden door walkout onto a private south-facing covered balcony overlooking the backyard. While its ensuite washroom showcases upgraded tiled finishes, a corner tub, the window above it having California shutters, a glass shower with a pot light, as well as a wood vanity with a stone counter and undermount basins. Other great features of this home include Hunter Douglas blinds on most of the windows, a newer roof with asphalt shingles, central air conditioning, plus a 25-year warranty with the new backyard deck, as well as a fully finished lower level. This level features broadloom, pot lighting, and upgraded light fixtures, a laundry room with a tiled floor, front-load washer and dryer, a stone folding counter, and access to a storage room, a bonus room with a storage closet, a 3-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a vanity with a countertop basin, and a glass shower, as well as a large recreation area that has a built-in desk and ample space for entertaining family and friends. Enjoying a fantastic central location, this home is close to highly rated schools, and it's a short walk to Bob Acton Park, the Ted Reeve Community Arena, grocery stores, GO and TTC service, as well as the shopping, restaurants, and entertainment along Danforth Avenue. And access to the Don Valley Parkway is just a short drive away.